Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello English language learners. In this lesson, we are going to learn about demonstrative pronouns for Indonesia native speakers, presented by Bandung Linguaphile learner. Please watch this video until the end. Subscribe to my channel and kindly activate your notification bell to receive new lesson and stay up to date. Agenda Part 1 Definition of the demonstrative pronoun. Part 2 Demonstrative pronouns can be subjects or objects. Part 3 Demonstrative pronouns rule according to Meta AI. Part 4 This for present and that for past. Part 5 Summary and closing. We use demonstrative pronouns to refer to specific things, abstractions, animals, places, and people. Demonstrative pronouns digunakan untuk menunjukkan benda tertentu, benda abstrak, hewan, tempat, dan orang. This is a chart of demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are in the pronoun form, such as this, that, this, those. This indicates a singular or non-count noun that is near. In Bahasa Indonesia, ini dipergunakan untuk kata benda bentuk tunggal dan kata benda yang tidak bisa dihitung. Ini menandakan bahwa bendanya berada dekat dengan jari kita. That indicates a singular or non-count noun that is farther away. In Bahasa Indonesia, itu dipergunakan untuk kata benda bentuk tunggal dan kata benda yang tidak bisa dihitung. Itu menandakan bahwa bendanya berada jauh dari jari kita atau dari badan kita. This indicates a plural noun that is nearby. In Bahasa Indonesia, bentuk jamak dari this adalah these, yang mana dalam bahasa Indonesia berarti ini. This atau ini digunakan untuk kata benda yang berbentuk plural. These menandakan bahwa letak benda berada dekat dengan jari kita. Those indicates a plural noun that is farther away. In Bahasa Indonesia, bentuk jamak dari that adalah those, yang mana dalam bahasa Indonesia berarti itu. Those atau itu digunakan untuk kata benda yang berbentuk banyak. Those menandakan bahwa letak benda berada jauh dari jari kita atau dari badan kita. Part 2 Demonstrative pronouns can be subject or object. When we want to introduce someone to another person, we use this is. This is an instance of a demonstrative pronoun used as an introductory phrase. Let's see an example here. Asep, this is James Bond 007. In this introduction, this is a demonstrative pronoun indicating proximity. This is the subject. in the demonstrative pronoun. It is because it is near and singular. These are my eggs. This is a demonstrative pronoun serving as the subject, indicating the eggs are nearby and plural. That is New York. That is the subject. That is a demonstrative pronoun. He uses that to indicate New York is far away. Those are your friends. Those is the subject. Those is a demonstrative pronoun. She uses those to indicate your friends are far away and they are plural. Do you like this cake? This is the object. This is a demonstrative pronoun. He uses this to indicate that the cake is near and singular. His friend says, "Yes, that is sweet." She uses that to indicate that the cake is far and singular. Do you like these markers? This is the object. This is a demonstrative pronoun. I use this to indicate that the marker are near and plural. Tania says, "Yes, those are colorful." She uses those to indicate those markers are far and plural. Tania says, "I like those pens." Those is the object. She uses those to indicate those pens are far and plural. Part 3. These, that, these, and those are commonly used for animals, things, and abstractions. However, when referring to people, demonstratives are less common and often considered informal or even impolite. Metayayay. In Bahasa Indonesia, this, that, these, and those digunakan untuk hewan, benda, dan barang abstrak yang tidak berwujud. Penggunaan demonstrative pronouns untuk orang bukan hal yang biasa dan terkesan kurang sopan dan bersifat tidak resmi. This for present, that for past. This is used for events occurring in the present. In Bahasa Indonesia, this digunakan untuk kejadian yang terjadi di masa sekarang. For example, number 1. This Saturday, I'm watching a horror movie with my family. Number 2. This year, we are moving to a new house. That to identify a specific event, regardless of whether it occurred in the past or future. This provides clarity and precision. Itu untuk mengidentifikasi peristiwa tertentu, terlepas dari apakah itu terjadi di masa lalu atau masa depan. Ini memberikan kejelasan dan ketetapan tanda waktu. For example, number one, that summer we went to Canada. Number two, that raining day will never be forgotten. Summary. We have learned the demonstrative pronouns such as this, that, these, those. Demonstrative pronouns as subject. For example, Asep, this is James Bond 007. That is New York. These are my eggs. Those are your friends. Demonstrative pronouns as object. For example, do you like this cake? I like that house. Do you like these markers? I like those pens. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. References. This page is intentionally left blank.